There is no man, no woman, no child born on this earth without the capacity for greatness. The tragedy, most never discover it. They follow routines handed to them. They repeat patterns they never chose. And they mistake that for life. But listen to me now. Life does not happen to you. Life responds to you. What you think, you become. What you dwell on, you attract. What you act on, you achieve. The greatest lie you've been told is that your circumstances define your success. They don't, your mindset does. Look around. Some of the most influential people you know came from nothing. Poverty, trauma, rejection, but they had something inside that couldn't be extinguished, a decision. Not a wish, not a hope, a decision that no matter how hard, no matter how long it took, they would not leave this earth ordinary. You think success is about luck. No, it's about clarity. You must know what you want. You must name it, not just vaguely, not with a half-hearted wish. I mean a burning desire so clear that it keeps you up at night and wakes you up early. Desire is where it starts, but desire without discipline is a fantasy. You need to put structure around your dream. You need to act when you're tired. You need to show up when you'd rather scroll. You need to write the email, build the skill, read the book, make the call, again and again. You say, but I don't know how. None of us did. The path is built by walking. Success isn't a door you find, it's a road you create, and that road is paved with decisions, not one, thousands, every day. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they make too many excuses. I don't have time. I'm not confident. I'll start when I feel ready. Nonsense, you won't feel ready. You don't need to feel confident. You just need to move. Confidence is a result, not a requirement. You act, and then you build belief. You move, and then the fear fades. But if you wait to feel good before doing something meaningful, you'll wait your whole life. You want success, then stop negotiating with your future. Stop waiting for approval. Stop needing validation. Decide, and then go. I've spoken to men who had no money, no education, no support, and they still built empires. You know why? Because they believed in their right to succeed. They believed it was possible, and they acted on that belief with everything they had. Meanwhile, others with better conditions, better resources, more opportunities, did nothing. Why? Because they waited, they doubted, they feared, and fear, left unchecked, kills more dreams than failure ever could. Let me tell you, you are not too late. You are not too old. You are not too far gone. The moment you decide to become more is the moment everything begins to shift. You say you want it, but do your actions reflect that? Are you reading daily? Are you taking risks? Are you surrounding yourself with people who elevate you? Or are you clinging to comfort, numbing yourself with distraction and calling it peace? Peace doesn't come from comfort. Peace comes from progress. The moment you begin to grow, truly grow, something changes inside you. The fear doesn't disappear, but it loses its grip. You start to see yourself differently. You walk taller. You speak with purpose, because you know you are building something real. But here's the truth. It's not going to be easy. You will have days when you doubt everything. You'll hear voices, internal and external, telling you to quit. But those voices are not your future. They are echoes of your past, and you are not your past. You are your potential. You have something no one else on this earth has. Your story, your fire, your vision, that's your advantage. Don't waste it trying to be someone else. Don't mimic success. Build your own version of it. You were not made to follow. You were made to lead, but leadership begins with self-mastery. If you cannot lead yourself, your habits, your emotions, your time, you'll never lead others. Start by mastering your morning. Win the first hour. Study what you want to master. Work when no one is watching. Track your time like it matters, because it does. Most of the world will never do this. That's why most of the world is stuck. But you're different. You wouldn't be listening if you weren't. There's a voice in you that keeps whispering, there's more. And that voice is right. Don't silence it. Feed it. Your vision must become an obsession. You must want it more than comfort, more than distraction, more than the easy way. If you do, then there is no force on earth that can stop you, not failure, not rejection, not your past, because failure isn't final, it's feedback. Rejection isn't personal, it's redirection, and your past, it's your training ground. What you've been through wasn't meant to break you, it was meant to build you. You've survived things that would have destroyed others, and you're still standing. That alone is proof of your strength, so don't waste that strength. Use it, channel it, let it drive you, and here's the real secret. You don't need to have everything figured out, you only need to take the next step. Then the next, then the next. Momentum is more valuable than motivation. One small action, repeated daily, becomes unstoppable. You want a new life, then build new habits, create new standards, speak new truth. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your potential, not your limitations. Stop sharing your dreams with people who have already given up on theirs. Their doubt is not your problem, your belief is your power. And if you've made mistakes, good. You're human. Mistakes are not signs you should quit. They're signs you are in the game. Most people never even play. They watch, they wait, they wonder, but not you. You were made to create, to build, to lead. So I ask you now, are you ready to decide? Are you ready to rise? Then stop waiting. The world is already moving. Opportunities are already forming. Your future is already calling. But you must answer it with action, with purpose, with belief. This is your moment. Decide, move, and never stop.